We will build a simple circuit. This circuit lights an LED. We use a transistor. It acts like an electronic switch. A small current controls this switch. This turns the LED on or off. It is a fun first project. You will learn basic electronics. Knowing these parts is the first step. Soon you will make light. Our main part is a transistor. A common one is the 2N3904, or use a BC547. These are NPN transistors. Think of it as a tiny gate. A small signal opens this gate. Then, more electricity can flow. It is a very useful electronic part. This small part does a big job in our circuit. We also need an LED. LED means light-emitting diode. It glows when power flows. LEDs need protection. A resistor protects the LED. It limits electric current. Without it, the LED might burn out. Always use a resistor with your LEDs. This keeps them shining safely for a long time. For power, use a battery. A 9-volt battery works well. It gives electrical energy. You also need wires. A breadboard is very helpful. It lets you build circuits easily. No soldering is needed. This makes it great for beginners to learn. Get these items ready before you start building. The battery is our power source. It provides electrical energy. Think of it like a pump. It pushes electricity through wires. This push is voltage. The flow of electricity is current. Batteries have positive and negative terminals. Power flows from positive to negative. This flow makes our circuit work and light the LED. The LED makes light. It turns electricity into light. LED means light-emitting diode. LEDs have two legs. One leg is longer. This is the positive leg or anode. The shorter leg is negative or cathode. Current must flow from anode to cathode. Then the LED will light up. Remember this polarity. It is very important. A resistor is very important. It resists electrical current. It slows down electricity. This control is crucial. Too much current can damage parts. The LED can burn out fast. The transistor can also be damaged. The resistor is a gatekeeper. It keeps current at a safe level for all components in the circuit. The transistor is our electronic switch. It has three legs: emitter, base, collector. On a 2N3904, find the flat side. Pins are often emitter, base, collector, left to right. A small current to the base is key. This controls a larger current. This larger current flows from collector to emitter. This is how it switches on. Find a clean workspace, lay out your components, identify the transistor's legs. This is very important. The 2N3904 has a flat side. With the flat side facing you, pins are emitter, base, collector. Check its datasheet if unsure. This prevents mistakes. Proper identification is key to a working circuit. Take your LED. Remember its longer leg. This is positive or anode. Connect a resistor to this anode. A 220 ohm resistor is good, or use 330 ohms. The resistor's other end goes to positive power. The LED's shorter leg, or cathode, connects to the transistor's collector. This protects the LED. The resistor value is important for brightness and safety. Place the NPN transistor, put it on your breadboard. Ensure legs are in separate rows. Connect the transistor's emitter leg. This leg goes to ground. Ground is battery negative. The LED's cathode connects to the transistor's collector leg. This path lets current flow. Be gentle when inserting components into the breadboard. The base leg is the control. It tells the transistor to switch. Connect a resistor to the base. A 1 kilo ohm resistor is good. This is the base resistor. It protects the transistor's base. The resistor's other end is our switch input. Use a loose wire. Touch this wire to positive later. This wire will act as your manual switch. Connect your 9-volt battery. Be careful with polarity. Positive to positive points. Negative to negative points. Take the loose base wire. This is from the base resistor. Touch this wire to battery positive. The LED should light up. A small base current turned the transistor on. Current now flows through the LED. See the light? You made a switch. LED not lighting? Don't worry. Check some things. Is the battery fresh? Are connections firm? Wires need good contact. Is the LED inserted correctly? Long leg or a node to positive side? Is the transistor oriented right? Check its emitter-base collector pins. Double-check all wiring. Patience helps when troubleshooting electronic circuits. Other issues? Yes, sometimes. Is the LED very dim? Your LED resistor might be too large. Try a smaller value like 220 ohms. Did LED flash and die? The resistor might be too small, or you forgot it. If the transistor gets hot, too much current flows. Check resistor values carefully. Safety first. Disconnect the battery if parts get hot. You did it. Congratulations. You built a transistor switch. This simple circuit is powerful. It teaches how transistors work. They control current like a gate. This is a basic electronics block. Many complex devices use this idea. Keep experimenting. Keep learning about electronics. There is much to discover. This is just the beginning.